Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app. On the left side, click Apps. Then select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Vanguard. If Riot Vanguard appears in the list, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove Vanguard from your computer. Once the uninstallation is complete, continue to the next step. Open the Start menu again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. Now type the following command and press Enter, sc-delete vgc. Next, type this command and press Enter, sc-delete vgk. These commands will remove any remaining Vanguard services from your system. Once both commands have finished, close the command prompt window. Close the Riot client completely if it's still running. Now open the Start menu and launch the Riot client again. Sign in to your Riot Games account. Once you're logged in, select Valorant. The Riot client should automatically detect that Vanguard is not installed. Click Update. The Riot client will now download and install the latest version of Vanguard automatically. Wait for the installation to finish. Once Vanguard has been installed, restart your computer if you're prompted to do so. After Windows starts again, launch Valorant.